Inktober box from Art Snacks, but I have the feeling this is going to be the last Inktober they're going to do. I just recently subscribed to their quarterly boxes, so I got a watercolors box and I got a regular box. And then I got an email the same day as I got the second one, and it said, oh, we're not doing boxes anymore. And I was like, oh my God. So now I don't think they're going to be doing these anymore. It seems like they're just going to focus on the store, like selling their stuff, and I think they have a forum where you go on and hang out or whatever. So that's kind of sad. So anyway, this is Inktober for 2024. I just thought I'd open it, and then I'll come back at the end of October and show you what I did. So I was gonna wait and put the whole thing together, but it'll be too long. So all right, I love these bags. See, I'm gonna miss these bags. I like these bags. There's a box for you, Murph. So this kind of looks like the same person who did. I don't know. There was one that was last year that was kind of cute too. Now, I guess it's not the same person. But this is cotton, is it? Does it say? It's not particularly watercolor paper. It just says medium weight fine surface paper, but it feels, oh, it's not too thick. So just a general paper pad, but I'm not going to use that for my Inktober. I'll find a sketchbook to use. And these cool bags. And there's stickers that match the cover of that. Does it say what it is? Mel Stringer. I don't know. Cute. Okay. I like the little cat coming out of the ink bottle. That's cute. All right, we're not going to look at that. Oh, and these are the prompts. I saw them yesterday on Instagram. So it's not really a shocker to me. I just happened upon them because I think my Inktober box arrived yesterday, but it wasn't ready to be picked up when I was there. So I just picked it up today. So one of these brushy type pens, those are good. That's good for ink. White jelly rolls. I'm not a big fan of jelly rolls. Well, there's different sizes. 05, 08, and 10. Maybe I'll change my mind. I tend to like the Signo, the Uniball Signo. But maybe it's because the sizes in the jelly roll I've used before have been too small, because the ink always seems to skip when you take it out. But I'll have to give those a try. Yay, Sweet Tarts again. I like Sweet Tarts. Uni. Oh, look how tiny. Can you see? Look at how little that is. A little brush pen, and it's so tiny. I love that. They do some good pens. Water and fade-proof pigment ink. And a nice brush. Looks like a 2-round, 4-round. By Treckle. Oh, I've heard of them. Some microns, which I use almost every day. Big ones again. I got these not too long ago. I think they're just scraping whatever they have left in their supplies. But I have been using them because they're a thicker 08, 10, and a 12. So they're a big fat size. They're good. And yeah, they're just going through whatever they've got in stock to give away, I think. Watercolor ink. I'll have to try that. I like that color. Red. And that's it. So yeah, I think they were the first art subscription box that I joined, but like I said, they were never my favorite because I really never felt like I got my money's worth. And for, what was it, like, I think it was $80, and this is what I got. I mean, it's not, probably not a bad thing that they're not doing this anymore. But anyway, I still love Palettefull Packs the best, and I just renewed my subscription to them, so I'll still be doing those, and I'll still be doing Sketchbox. So that's that for the Inktober. I don't know if you want to take a look at can you see the whole thing? of the prompts for Inktober. Seem kind of interesting. I'll have to work on them. Okay, I just did like some swatches of the material. So this is the ink, and it's watercolor. So after it dried, I added water, and it does. So this is pretty cool ink, or whatever it is, aqua ink, watercolor. These two, the little brush pens. That's the smaller one, and that's the bigger one. And then the 3 microns. I already had those. Now I tried testing these on this, and it didn't come out right. So I'm going to test them on black paper, and they should be better, because I was ready to toss them, but they're better not on watercolor paper, so maybe that's the issue. So even the thin ones are okay. So these, if you can see, those 3. So they're okay. All right. All right. So those are the sort of swatchy things I've done. All right. So that's it for this video. I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.